Okay, so in this video, we're going to calculate the center of gravity or the center of mass for this simple system. Okay, we have two objects of mass m each, and we're going to find where the center of gravity is for this object. Okay, obviously, just by looking at it, since the masses are equal, you know that the center of gravity is going to be right somewhere in the middle. Okay, but we'll just use our expression and we'll just learn how to do it. So just if you feel solid about this, just go ahead, just do the calculation, and then come back and just check to make sure that your calculation and my calculation, they match. Okay, now clearly in this problem, everything's along the x-axis. There's nothing along the y-axis, so we can only worry about the center of gravity for the x-axis. Okay, so my x center of gravity, the formula is take the mass of each multiplied by its coordinate, and then divide by all the masses. So we have m times 0 for the first one, plus m times L for the second one, and we're going to divide it by the sum of the masses. And when we simplify this, I end up getting m times L divided by 2m, and we see that the masses cancel out, and I end up getting L divided by 2. Okay, a very simple calculation. Let's take a look at another example where now instead, let's say that I have once again my axis. Let's say I have an m here, an m here, and let's put another m out here. Okay, and let the coordinates be L comma 0, 0 comma L, and obviously 0 comma 0. So we can calculate our center of gravities again. So x center of gravity is going to be equal to m times 0 plus m times L plus m times 0. Okay, and then I'm going to divide this by m plus m plus m. If I do it correctly, I end up getting ml over 3m, which is equal to L divided by 3. We play the same game for the y, and we end up getting m times 0 plus m times 0 plus m times L, and over m plus m plus m. If we do it correctly, we end up getting L divided by 3. So if we were to complete this triangle, okay, the center of gravity for this system would be somewhere, it's a third of the length, so it would be somewhere around this point, which would be the center of gravity of the object. Okay, so make sure that you know how to do these for simple things, and in the next video what we'll do is we'll try to calculate the center of gravity for some extended objects. Okay.